everyone, welcome back to the channel. Welcome to Dish Delish Africa. Yes, happy new year, guys. Happy new year and a prosperous year to you all, to all our subscribers, to all who watch our videos. Thank you so much for the year 2024, and thank God for ushering us into the year 2025. Yes, guys, so this year we'll be dishing out a lot of nice recipes about cakes, pastries, foods. Yes, so stay tuned. You get a lot from us, guys. So also what I'm doing today now is to stack my two-tier cake from the house before taking it to the wedding. Yes, so this one I'm not stacking it at the wedding venue. I'm stacking it, they will just come and pick it up from my home. Yes, guys, so I've already covered it in fondant. So all I'll just do now, this is not the board I'm going to be using to transfer the cake or to send the cake to the wedding. I'm going to transfer it from this board to the main board. Yes, guys. Yes, so this is not also the board I'm using, so I'm just going to flip it over, then I'll transfer it to the main board. Yes, so what I'll be doing is, this is the board I'll be using. Yes, so what I'll just do now is to apply royal icing on the board. Yes, this is perfect. So make sure to cover your royal icing before anything. So that's all you do. So what you just do now is to flip it over. Yes, so I'll set this aside. Yes, so all I'll just do now is to make sure to shift it. Yes, so what we'll do now is to dowel our cake. So we're going to dowel it because it needs to be properly firm before we take it to the wedding. Yes, this is what I'll be using to stack my cake, where my other tier will be on. Yes, so what I'm just doing now is to create a center. Yes, so I'm just trying to create a center for my cake. Yes, so make sure you create a center for your cake. So what I'll just do now is to draw a line. Yes, so I've drawn the line. So all I'll just do now is to dowel. So for this 8-inch cake, we'll need 6 dowels. So first of all, so I'm just trying to create so all I'll just do now is to insert my dowels. Yes, I finished cutting it, so all I'm just doing now. So guys, sorry my phone was overheating, so I couldn't show you how I doweled, but I just put in 6 dowels. Yes, as you can see, I have 6 dowels on my cake. So all I'll just do now is to apply my royal icing on the cake. Yes, so we are going to apply our royal icing on the cake. This will serve as a glue to the tier that is coming on top. Yes, to serve as a glue. So what I'll do now, I've still not been able to remember the name of this board, but stacking board, yeah, I guess that's the name. So all I'm just doing now is to put on top my stacking board. Then all I'll just do is to go in and apply royal icing on it. So normally if I'm stacking a cake at the venue, I don't normally use this, but when I'm stacking it from the house, because I'm not going with them. So I normally want to create something that will be firm enough so that they will not have issues or get the case whereby the cake will get um, like it will slide or maybe it fall off or something. So what I'll do now is to put a center dowel. Yes. So that is it. So make sure to always cover your royal icing when working. Yes, it's very important. So all I'll just do now is to bring in this tier and just lift it up on top like that. So this is it, guys. Don't worry about this hole, we are going to cover it very well. Yes, so you make sure it's properly. So that is it. So what I'll do now is to bring in my royal icing and make sure I cover these holes because we don't need it to show. We just have to cover it. Yes guys, so all we just do now is to cover it because we don't want it to show. So all we are just doing is to cover this up. Yes, so we are going to cover the bottom one too as well. Yes, so we are done. This is our cake. Can you see it has been properly covered? So all I'll just do now is to use my scraper to just go around. I'll do the same thing for the bottom tier. So I'll just go in with my hands to make sure it's properly sealed. Yes, so this is it. Yes guys, so all we just do now is to place in our flowers on the cake. So I'm just trying to cut my flowers to fit in. Yes, so what we'll do now is to add in our top flower. That is it, guys. Let me show you. And the bride wanted this on the cake, so just reduce this. Yes, so this is our cake. So all I'll just do now is to brush it up, then it is ready to be delivered. Yeah, so what I'll just do now is use my spirit to just shine our cake. Yes, guys, so this is it. This is our cake. What do you think, guys? Simple and straight to the point. Yes. Okay, guys, thank you so much for watching. Please don't forget that one day at a time is the best. Please don't forget to like this video. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Don't forget to hit the notification bell below so that whenever we upload a new video, you'll be the first to be notified. Till we meet in our next video, please stay safe and bye.